Hi, my name is Ankit Mishra. In today's video, we will discuss about outbound investments under Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Outbound investment can be understood as a form of investment which is carried out by any individual or entity by investing in a singular entity or a joint venture which is established outside India. A classic example of an outbound investment is under the Liberalized Remittance Scheme (LRS). This scheme would apply only to individuals who can carry out any form of outward remittance outside India. A maximum limit of USD 2,50,000 can be transferred outside India under the scheme. Regulation on outbound investment. The primary regulatory authority for outbound investment is the Reserve Bank of India. Through this, central bank, different investors can carry out activities and transactions which involve outbound investment. Eligibility criteria for outbound investments under FEMA. An Indian party is eligible to make an outbound investment under FEMA under the automatic route. An Indian party can include the following: company, partnership under the Partnership Act 1932, limited liability partnership under LLP Act 2008, any other entity or combination of the parties when more than one such company, body or entity makes the investment in the foreign joint venture WOS. Procedure for outbound investment under FEMA. The Indian party intending to make an overseas direct investment under the automatic route is required to fill up Form ODI duly, supported by the documents listed therein. That is, a certified copy of the board's resolution, statutory auditor's certificate, and valuation report in case of acquisition of an existing company, as per the valuation norms listed in answer to, and approach an authorized dealer for investing remittance. Documents required for outbound investment under FEMA. First, Form ODI. Second, certified copy of the board's resolution. Third, statutory auditor's certificate. Fourth, valuation report. Fifth, annual return on foreign liabilities and assets. There are two routes for making an outbound investment under FEMA. First, automatic rule. Second, approval route. Under the automatic route, the Indian party does not need prior approval from the Reserve Bank of India. The individual should approach the authorized dealer AD, that is banks, with the Form ODI with the prescribed documents to make a remittance. If there is any other transfer of financial services, then approval is required from the Finance Board. Form ODI is available in the Master Direction of Foreign Exchange Management Act. Transactions which are not covered under the automatic route will be covered under the approval route. Under the approval route, the applicant should approach their designated authorized dealer, that is banks, with the proposals which shall be submitted to Reserve Bank after due scrutiny with specific recommendations of the designated authorized dealer, along with supporting documents. In case the proposal is approved, the AD bank should perform the remittance under the advice of Reserve Bank so that the UIN, Unique Identification Number, is provided. For approval by Reserve Bank, the following documents need to be submitted: a letter from the designated AD in a sealed cover mentioning the following details. Number 1. Transaction number generated by the ODI application. Number 2. Brief details of the Indian entity. Number 3. Brief details of the overseas entity. Number 4. Background of the proposal. Number 5. Brief details of the transaction. Number 6. Reasons for seeking approval mentioning the extent of FEMA provisions. This is it for this video. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel.